Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have admin rights and a current backup. That matters because deleting restore points is irreversible for system recovery. First, open the System Properties dialog by typing Create a Restore Point in Start and pressing Enter. Once the System Protection tab appears, select your system drive, usually C. Make sure protection is enabled so options show. If it is off, you can't delete restore points there. Use this immediate step to access the deletion controls and proceed deliberately. Now that you're in Configure, review the disk space usage chart to see existing restore points and the max usage slider. This determines how many points are retained. To remove every restore point on the selected drive, click Delete and Confirm. That clears all points quickly. If you want a single older point removed, use System Restore to revert or clean with third-party tools carefully. Once deleted, free disk space increases. Make sure you really want all points gone before confirming deletion. Finish by clicking OK to apply changes. This commits the deletion and updates the protection settings. After cleanup, create a fresh manual restore point labeled with the date so you retain a clean fallback option. If deletion fails or points reappear, reboot into safe mode and try again. Also run chkdsk/f on the drive to fix file system errors that block changes. If disk encryption is enabled, suspend or decrypt before retrying, so the system can modify restore storage without permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.